Okay, so we continue with the multiplication. So the condition is true, therefore the product. Okay, first row into first column, that is 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 0, 0, 4 into 3, 12. First row into second column, that is 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 0, 0. First row into third column, 2 into 5, 10, 3 into 4, 12, and 4 into 5, 20. Okay, then first row into second, the first row is completed. Now we are coming to the second row. Second row means second row of the first matrix, 3, 4, 5 into first column. So 3 into 1, 3, 4 into 0, 0, 5 into 3, 15. Then 3 into minus 3, minus 9, 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 0, 0. Okay, then second row into third column, 3 into 5, 15, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 25. Okay, then we come to the third row. So third row into first column, 4 into 1, 4, 5 into 0, 0, 6 into 3, 18. Second row into, third row into, the third row into first column, 4 into 1, 4, 5 into 0, 0, 6 into 3, 18. Now third row into second column, 4 into minus 3, minus 12, 5 into 2, 10, 6 into 0, 0. Okay, and the last element, that is which one? Third row into third column, 4 into 5. Sorry, 4 into 5, that is 20, 5 into 4, that is again 20, 6 into 5 comes as how much? 30. Now we come to the simplification. Okay, that is 14 minus 6 plus 6, 0, then 22 plus 20, that is 42. Okay, then 3 plus 15, 18, minus 9 plus 8, that is minus 1, 15 plus 16, 31 plus 25, that is 56, then 4 plus 18, 22, then minus 12 plus 10, that is minus 2, then 20 plus 20, 40 plus 30, 70. Okay, so this is the product of these two matrices. What is coming? Matrix 14, 0, 42, 18, minus 1, 56, 22, minus 2, 70. It's clear? So it should be, and the examination point of view, it is not necessary to show this step. For example, the thing is, when you come to the first row in the first column, 2, the thing is you can do the oral, otherwise the mental calculation. That is 2, 0, 12. So 2 plus 12, 14. That way it can be directly also written. Okay, so we discuss the multiplication of two matrices, and here we have discussed the multiplication of two, which one? 3 by 3 matrices. Okay, now in the next question we will come to know one of the most important concepts. Actually that concept is quite clear if you just think of the definition of multiplication of two matrices. So the next question means we directly come to main question 16. Okay, otherwise, okay, we come to, we do both 15 and 16, we come to question number 15. Okay, in question number 15, matrix A is given. Matrix A that is 2 0 1, then 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, this is a matrix given, and we have to obtain a square minus so the matrix A is given, we have to obtain a square minus 5a plus 6i. So the main thing to understand here is, while obtaining a square, we don't have to obtain, or we don't have to do the squaring of all the elements of A. Actually, that is one of the possible mistake. Okay, and A square is to be obtained by applying the very definition of A square. What? Matrix A again multiplied by matrix A. So A into A, matrix A into matrix A. Then in the multiplication, as we said earlier, the elements are small numbers, so it is better we obtain the product directly. Okay, first row into first column. So 2 into 2, 4, this is 0, 1 into 1, 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. First row into second column. 0, no need to consider. 0, no need to consider. 1 into minus 1. So only minus 1 will come. Okay, then first row into third column. 2 into 1, 2. 0 into 3. 0, no need to consider. 1 into 0, so that was only 2 into 1, 2. Okay, then we come to second row into first column. 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 2, 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 3 into 1, 3, so 6 plus 3, 9. Second row into second column, so 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, so 1 plus minus 3, that is going to be minus 2. Second row into third column, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 3, 3, so 2 plus 3, 5, and this is 0 means only that 5 will come. Okay, third row into first column, 1 into 2, 2, minus 1 into minus 2, that is 0, then 0 into 1, so that element is going to be 0. Clear? Then third row into second column, 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 0 into that, so it is going to be that minus 1. Then third row, third column, 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, okay, and next is 0. So 1 minus 3, that is going to be minus 2. So we have obtained which one? A square. Okay, now what is needed? It is better only minus 5a means what to come? Plus minus 5 into a. Okay, otherwise 5 into minus, so we directly write it as minus 5a. So what to be done? Multiply the matrix A by the scalar minus 5. So when actually here what we are doing, multiplication of two matrices, but here multiplication of a matrix and a scalar. What to be done? Multiplying all the elements of A by minus 5. So 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10, 0, minus 5, then minus 10, minus 5, okay, 3 into minus 5, that is minus 15, then 1 into minus 5, minus 5, minus 1 into minus 5, that is plus 5, okay, then 0. Then what is needed? 6i. That also in the different types of matrices, we said I stands for unit matrix, okay, or the identity matrix, okay, and here and again we said, okay, I is the general representation depending. So here A is a matrix of order 3, so I stands for unit matrix of order 3, that is 1 0. Okay, so anyhow what we need? 6i, that is 6 into unit matrix of order 3 means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Clear? So we have to consider I according to our requirement. The meaning is according to the order needed in the question. So this is multiplying all the elements by 6. So 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. Okay? And thereafter, we have to obtain the requirement. Okay? So what we need? So we come to, therefore, a square minus 5a plus 6i. So actually we know it is which one? The addition, okay, or the operation of three matrices. First is a square, adding with the minus 5a, adding with the 6i. Okay, so fundamentally we have to do, first we do a square minus 5a, then with that 6i adding, but here for convenience we can come to the operation directly. Clear? So a square minus 5a plus 6i. So what we do? Operating, otherwise what? Adding the corresponding elements of a square minus 5a and 6i. Okay, so a square minus 5a, 6i. So what will come? 5. We are not writing the elements separately, doing the simplification directly. So make it out. So 5 minus 10 plus 6. So 5 minus 10, that is minus 5 plus 6. So it comes as 1. Clear? Okay, then minus 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is minus 1. Then 2 plus minus 5, that is minus 3 plus 0, it is going to be minus 3. Okay, then we come to second row, 9 plus minus 10, minus 1 plus 0, that is going to be minus 1. Minus 2 plus minus 5, minus 7 plus 6 is going to be minus 1 again. Okay, then 5 plus minus 15, how much? Minus 10 plus 0, that is going to be minus 10. Then third row, 0 plus minus 5, minus 5 plus 0, that is going to be minus 5. Then minus 1 plus 0, minus 1, again 0 means it is going to be minus 1. So the last element, minus 2 plus 0 plus 6, that is minus 2 plus 6, that is 4. Okay, and just the operations and simplifications you just verify. So we have obtained which one? A square minus 5a plus 6i equal to matrix 1 minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 1 minus